Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery on a black African American man who had a class 6 had a hair transplant restored by me by the FUE method. And as you can see, this is what he looked like before, and this is what it looked like right now, with a perfect hairline with a full set of hair. As you know, hair transplant is an art form. It requires a lot of artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a very natural result. If the clinic do not have experience on restoring black hair, that will destroy most of the root and thus lead to poor growth, or they give you a Caucasian hairline, a hairline very high and a large forehead, and that look very abnormal. As you can see, a black man has straight hairline and perpendicular temple, and the temple is very important for black more than other ethnicity, because that's how you line up the face and really bring the face and frame the face forward. And once you have the hairline, your look will change. This patient really, I'll tell you, I joke with him, but he has some resemblance to Usher, but of course he's not. But he's extremely happy. I wish he allowed me to show the full face, because when the hairline is there, it really frames the face and it really enhances his look. It brings out his eyes, his nose, and the feature, all the features that God create for you. And that's what hair can do. Now, as you know, this patient had an FUE done. So with an advanced hairline, you need multiple sessions. Most time with a patient with advanced hairline, class 6, 7, I recommend strip method. However, this patient say if he gonna have to go with strip method, he will not gonna go do the surgery, and he rather opt for the FUE, knowing the fact that he had to do multiple sessions. But it can be done, and if you're patient with me, I can really bring your look back, but you just need to know that with advanced hair loss you need multiple sessions, but it can be done. It is very difficult to find a surgeon who specializes in the art of hair transplant by the FUE method on a black patient, but it can be done, and there's only a few of us in the United States that can do this procedure. For more information, you can go to my website at www.mhta.clinic.com. Click on the before and after icon on the right hand side. There's multiple albums. Click on the black hair album for more information. Or call 1-866-999-6482. Or you can go to my YouTube channel, JG Diep, or Google it, JG Diep YouTube channel. Or you can Google black FUE hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. Another video, you not only see the still picture but the patient with a full hair result a year later, allow you to judge in depth and in detail how natural and dense the hair result that can be. So as you can see, this is what he looked like before, class 6, and this is what it looked like right now. Phenomenal look, extremely different. And the whole artistry behind it, the height of the hairline from the eyebrows to the hairline is around 6.5 to 7. This patient had to be 6 centimeters. From the midpoint to the temple is around 7. As you can see, the hairline straight across, is not arch up, and the zigzag is very tiny, small in amplitude compared to Asian or other Caucasian would have bigger amplitude. Why we do that? Because most African men would like to line up the hair straight anyway, or taper the hair. And then the other important factor is the angle of the hair is very flat against the skin, and it's around 15 degrees and increases when you go backward and changes when you go a different direction. So this is the artistry of black hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo by the FUE method by Dr. Diep. Thank you.